Parking at UPTC Katipunan with Kaibigan live performance. Justin has released his newest single Kaibigan plus the music video, pero heto, he gave us another surprise with a live performance bilang pasasalamat sa mainit na suporta na kanyang natanggap. Unang kinanta ni Justin ang kanyang Sunday morning version.
Yun po, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Dito po ako para lang magkaroon ng mini basking performance for you guys. So, let's go! Sunday morning when it's
And then Surreal, which feels different now dahil naiintindihan na natin ang istorya sa kanyang imahinasyon.
While we walk slowly under the street lights, we hold each other's hands so tight.
At syempre ang kanyang newest single, ang mapanakit na Kaibigan.
Di naman